50-year-old Tad Cummins kidnapped 15-year-old Elizabeth Thomas last month. They were found a few days ago following a nationwide manhunt. Thomas's family is now speaking out about her ordeal.
Sometimes she'll be happy and laughing and back to the same old girl, and then she'll be sometimes just in a fetal position crying.
Cummins and Thomas were found in a remote cabin in Northern California. The caretaker of that property recognized their faces from an Amber Alert and called police. A trailblazing female astronaut hits a milestone tomorrow and will get a congratulatory phone call from the president for it. Peggy Whitson will set a new U.S. record for spending the most cumulative days in space. Astronaut Jeff Williams holds the record with 534 days spent in orbit. This is Whitson's third stint on the International Space Station. She's the only woman to serve as station commander twice. Today started out pretty chilly, then the sun came out and it was kind of nice.
Really did turn into a beautiful middle part of the day, and then everything kind of turned back upside down for us, and that's as we get ready for the rain to start the week. It's not all bad news though. We're still behind as far as rain goes for the season, so we should be able to bust through that moderate drought here pretty quickly to start the week. Let me show you what's happening out there right now. We've got temperatures hanging right around the 60-degree mark, and that's about as warm as we ever got today thanks to the cloud cover. And the other thing you see with the wind, that southeasterly direction. Anytime we get our breeze off the east right now, we get some cool air and some extra moisture from the Atlantic, and that works to keep temperatures a little cooler and also pump in all of the cloud cover. So here's the big picture of what's going on. Rain is still just outside of our area at this point, hanging farther down to the south, but there's quite a bit of it to get through. And what's going on? There's a wave of low pressure developing back here. If you look closely, you can see that counterclockwise flow. That is going to hang around here for us at least through the first half of the week, keeping the rain in the forecast. Dry throughout the rest of this evening, though, just down to 59 degrees by 9 o'clock. Thanks to the cloud cover, we really don't cool too quickly. But let me show you what's going on with this low pressure here. It starts to build, come together as we get over toward the coast, sending rain our way as early as midnight tonight, sticking around for Monday morning. There we are right at 7 a.m. That chance for steady rain sticks around through most of the day tomorrow. The best chance we're going to get any breaks, it'll be Monday evening, I think probably just after dinner time. Unfortunately, the driest weather is here overnight, and then by Tuesday morning, another band of heavy showers pushes its way through the area. And that same time, that easterly flow from across the Atlantic keeps things cloudy, keeps things cool for us as well. Temperatures stuck in the 50s. Now, Tuesday, not quite as rainy. I do think we'll get some more breaks throughout the day, but this chance sticks around even into Wednesday morning. Still looking at those cloudy skies to start, and maybe even a few showers Wednesday morning as well. So here's how it plays out. 45 to 52 for us tonight. Rain moving in after midnight. So the rest of the evening, not a problem for most of us. Now, by commute time tomorrow morning, it's coming down. It's pretty heavy at times as well, just in the low 50s there for us. Staying cloudy, staying cool. You'll have the wipers going. Expect your commute to take a bit longer tomorrow. High temperature up to just about 54 degrees with that steady rain. And once again, if you're going to get a break, it should be Monday evening. By the time we get into Tuesday morning, rain is back in here. We're up to about 59, but look at these temperatures. We go 72 on Wednesday up to 86 degrees by Thursday. So after a cool start, we are really kind of jumping right into a summer pattern. Along with the warmth, also going to turn a little bit humid. So what that means for us toward the end of the week and into the weekend is spotty showers and a few thunderstorms are not out of the question. Now, it's hard in this sort of air mass to really pin down exactly when they're going to fire up, but at this point, Friday and Sunday bring us our best chance, but not washouts. Not like a day we had yesterday when you're making your plans for next weekend. And as far as rain Monday and Tuesday, pretty much a sure bet. Make sure you have the rain gear ready, and the kids are ready to splash around in some puddles.
Yeah, too bad.
It's a tough start to the week that way.
All right,
Yeah.
Speaking of being ready, the Caps, are they going to do it tonight?
I hope they are. If they're ready, it's not Game 7, but you might as well play like it, right?
Right.
Of course. Caps can put the Maple Leafs to sleep tonight. When will they step up, or will it go to Game 7? We'll preview this one next in sports.
I like these protein bars and these protein bars because I really like running marathons. Coming through.
Aldi, simply smarter shopping.
Over here. Over here. It's happening.
That feeling, only better. Turbo. standard in a 170 horsepower, fun-to-drive Volkswagen Passat.
Hurry in and lease this 2017 Passat S for just $169 a month. Visit VWDealer.com today.
I went against my instincts and I called the cable company to install my alarm. And really, I should have known better. They can barely keep my TV signal on. So after 3 days, I called Ackerman and they had my house protected that afternoon.
At Ackerman Security, we've been protecting families just like yours for over 40 years. For just $19.95 a month, you get burglary, fire, and medical alert monitoring.
Already have a system and paying more? Switch for free and get up to 3 months free monitoring.
Call 888-999-1070 or at ackermansecurity.com.
Bobby likes this sliced ham and this sliced ham. Here we go.
Mom, I told you I